So let me explain you how to install Hadoop version 2.3.0 in Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Okay, so for that here we are having two folders, the installation file for Hadoop 2.3.0 as well as the supporting files, the configuration files that are needed to install that in your computer. Okay, so the two folders are the installation folder as well as the configuration folder. Okay, so first open this folder, Hadoop 2.3.0, and extract that to this particular location. So I am extracting here to C drive. Okay, so it is now in location C drive, C Hadoop 2.3.0, right? So for easy purpose, what I am doing is just okay, so now our Hadoop is present in location C drive, folder is Hadoop 2.3.0. okay, so this is your first step. Now let me open the configuration file. Okay, so here it is having two main folders, bin folder and etc folder. So first open this bin folder. It is containing one file, yarn.cmd. So first, before that we have to perform extraction of that folder. Okay, so here, okay, Hadoop, this belongs to the configuration file. It contains the folder bin and etc. So open the bin folder and copy this yarn.cmd, okay, and put it in your installation folder Hadoop 2.3.0 bin and paste it here. So just you replace the file. So this is step number 1. Then open. So now we are going to work with these two files alone, installation as well as your configuration file. Okay, now open this configuration file and open etc folder Hadoop. There are number of files that are present. So let me tell you which files you are supposed to select from the list of configuration file. Okay, so number 1, yarn site.xml file, and then map reduce site.xml, okay, and then httpfs site.xml, okay, and then hdfs site.xml. Then Hadoop, there will be one file called as Hadoop policy.xml, then core site.xml, and then capacity scheduler.xml. So copy these set of files and then open this folder, installation folder, and open etc Hadoop and just paste it here, and you have to give just replace. Instead of doing all the configuration manually, what I am doing is, already I am having the configured files, just I am replacing that in the already existing etc and Hadoop folder. Okay, then these basic steps are over as of now. Now we have to set the path for Hadoop as well as your Java folder. Okay, so for that you open environmental variables from the control panel, right, and then click on environmental variables. Okay, now click on this new variable name, and then you have to give the variable value. Okay, in that give the variable name as Hadoop underscore home, and then give your Hadoop installation path, right? So that is nothing but your C Hadoop 2.3.0. Just copy that from your C location and put it in your value. Okay, right? And then number 2, you are supposed to give your Java path. Okay, so for that create one more variable, and then in the variable name give Java home and give the path of your Java installation folder. By default here, for the easy process of Hadoop installation, keep the Java folder in your C drive itself. So just select Java. So here C Java and then JDK path and then bin. So copy this entire path and then paste it over here. Click on OK. Then go to this system variables and click on edit path. Okay, click on this edit. Now click on new button. Here you have to first give your Hadoop bin path. Okay, so here first you get the Hadoop bin path, copy the bin path of your Hadoop and click on new button, paste it over here. Okay, then once again click on new, and second you have to give the Java bin path. Okay, so here C Java JDK bin, copy the whole path and paste it over here. So as of now the setting in the environmental variable is over. Okay, now click on OK and then once again OK. Once again open this Hadoop folder, click on etc folder, then Hadoop, open one file Hadoop env.cmd, right? There is one file Hadoop env.command prompt file. So open that file with, here I am opening the file with I am giving edit with Notepad++. Okay, so here you could able to see the 25th line of your Hadoop env.cmd file. You have to give the Java home path. Okay, don't give the entire bin path, just give your Java location, C Java. Okay, don't enter the entire bin path and then just click on the save button. Okay, and then just close the file. So until this we are completed with the basic configuration in order to install Hadoop in your computer. Now go to your command prompt and right click on command prompt, click run as administrator, right? Then now you have to enter into your Hadoop location. So where is your Hadoop location? In my computer it is in C. So you have to change to that particular directory, C Hadoop, that is my folder name. So this path you have to change. See, note down here how you should set the path in Hadoop env.cmd file. Okay, so here you have to give C Java and then particular JDK you have to give. Don't pass the bin folder here. So this should be the format of your Java path in your Hadoop env.cmd file, and then save the folder. Here now I am giving Hadoop space version. So it will take some time. Now you could able to see The version is Hadoop 2.3.0. Okay, now enter next command, Hadoop name node hyphen format. So it will run particular set of commands for some time. You could able to see number of execution could happen, so then it will stop. Now just minimize this command window and then open other command prompt. Once again run as administrator. Once again go to your Hadoop location. So here you are not supposed to go to the bin folder. You have to enter into one more other folder called as, so let me enter into Hadoop folder, then change directory to sbin. Okay, so note down here the directory should be changed to sbin, not bin. Okay, now give the command start dfs.cmd. Sorry, it is start -dfs.cmd. So now you could able to see the nodes that belongs to your HDFS will be open. Just here you have to give allow access. Okay, at the top you could able to see data node and name node, which are the two main components of your HDFS system. So that it will start executing your Hadoop installation. So then it will stop at a particular step. So just you minimize these two windows. Right, now next command start -yarn.cmd. It will start two more daemons, resource manager and then node manager. Okay, so 4 windows you could able to see: name node, data node, node manager and then resource manager. So just no need to work on these things, just you have to open. It will automatically open these 4 set of windows after successfully installing your Hadoops in your computer, Hadoop framework in your computer. Now how to check these set of name node files and data node it is installed in your computer? So go to your browser and give this particular command http://localhost 8088/cluster. See, so if you are successfully able to open this window, if it is opening the detail about your Hadoop system, right, so it will give you the version of your Hadoop cluster ID, resource manager, date as well as Hadoop version. Here you could able to see 2.3.0. it has been successfully installed in your computer. Okay, then in order to check the status of your name node and data node, go to this particular link http://localhost:5070. See, if I am giving this particular link localhost 5070, the status of your data node and name node we could able to see here, as well as whatever file you are storing in your HDFS system. If you go into this browse the file system, you could able to see the files that are stored in your HDFS. As of now there is no file stored in my HDFS system, so it is blank. Okay, so here you could able to see in your C drive where your Hadoop is installed. What about the DFS space that is remaining? Okay, so the memory details will be displayed here. Then status of your name node. So all the details of your name node and data node will be displayed here. So click on this data node. Okay, so if this window, if both these windows are successful and if all these 4 windows are successfully open in your system, so your basic step of installation of Hadoop 2.3.0 in your computer has been successfully done. So hope this will be useful for you. So you can try the same sequence of steps in your computer for installation in case of Windows 10 operating system 64-bit, what I have done in my computer. So hope this video will be more useful for you for the installation of Hadoop framework. If you are having any queries from your side, you can post it in my comment section, as well as don't forget to subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you once again. Bye.